everyone, what's up? KARARAE here, and welcome back to my channel for those returning subscribers, and welcome if you are new. So today's video is going to be another curly hair video. I am on a roll with filming my curly hair videos. I'm making up for lost time. So this video is really exciting because it is going to be on the Dove Amplify Textures line. This is a new line by Dove, and I have been really itching to get my hands on these products. If you are interested to see my review / demo, then make sure you keep on watching. I was actually gifted the Dove Amplify Textures Twist in Moisture Shaping Buttercream for my birthday. I also picked up the Dove Amplify Textures Finishing Gel, and I also got the Dove Amplify Textures Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm going to try all 3 products today on a wash and go. I'm going to start by, of course, parting my hair. I'm going to be doing a zigzag part. So I'm going to be starting with the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner, and it's in a pump like this. I'm not a huge fan of pumps for hair products because I just feel like they kind of get hard to use. This is the consistency. It is sort of sliding down my hand, as you can see. It feels a lot like conditioner. Wow, this feels, on my hands, this feels really hydrating, and the slip feels really similar to a conditioner. It has a really nice scent to it too. And I am heavy-handed with my products, so that is another reason I'm really excited about this Dove line, because it's really affordable, and if you have a lot of hair and you're heavy-handed with your product, then you know how that goes. Your pockets do not like you. I really think that detangling my hair using that Moisture Lock Leave-In was really easy. I really like the consistency. Next, I'm going to be going in with the Amplify Textures Twist in Moisture Shaping Buttercream. And I'm using this as like my heavy styler, but this product is really, like, look, it's like pouring out. I am making a huge mess. For a cream, this product feels almost more like it feels exactly like the leave-in conditioner. It has the same kind of texture. So I'm kind of interested in how this is gonna perform as well. There's a lot of slip to all of these products, so I really like that because I feel like it'll really help with detangling. So I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush now and just kind of work the product in. And guys, I got a new Denman brush, so yay, I'm really excited. I really like how easy they're making it to style my hair. The real test is going to be when it dries, of course. So now that I've kind of worked in the product in a large section, of course, I'm gonna go in with my smaller sections. And I'm going to apply some more of the products at my roots. As I'm going through the sections and I'm adding more of the cream to my roots, I'm also going to add a little bit of the Shine and Moisture Finishing Gel. Everything smells really good. It's like this really simple, clean smell, but it just smells really good. Today is day 2 of my wash and go that I styled using the new Dove Amplify Textures styling line. I'm going to talk about my thoughts. I'm gonna give pros and cons. We'll start with the pros. So all of these products had tremendous slip. They kind of felt like the same product. So I want to say the leave-in even felt a little bit heavier than the shaping buttercream, which kind of was odd to me. And even the Shine and Moisture Finishing Gel, I also felt like had a lot of slip when it came to the product. The product wasn't super light, it wasn't heavy, it didn't quite feel like a gel, but it also didn't quite feel like a custard or a jelly, so this product was different. They made my styling process a lot easier. It wasn't super hard for me to style my hair, and I feel like it's made the process quicker as well. Another pro is they're really affordable. I feel like I was able to achieve good definition in my wash and go. I feel like it came out decent. It's not my worst wash and go, but it's not my best. So, okay, so the cons. I feel like my biggest con with this line is my hair feels really dry right now. It doesn't have much shine to it. I can just tell by the way it feels. It doesn't have much moisture to it. And it's a lot bigger than my wash and goes typically are on day 2, which kind of makes me think that this wash and go isn't gonna last very long. I feel like my hair is missing something. Usually I can touch my hair after a wash and go, especially on day 2, and still kind of feel some product residue on it. I don't feel that. And maybe that's just a personal preference. But that will be my biggest con, is I really don't feel like my hair is all that moisturized. But I think the cream is what I'm missing. When I get a cream, I need like a heavier cream, and because this texture of this cream was so liquidy, I feel like there wasn't anything to seal in the moisture for my wash and go, so that's what my wash and go is missing. I feel like I need a heavy cream. Am I completely disappointed in the line? No, I feel like I will definitely still use these products, and maybe it's just about me playing with the products a little bit to see how they work best in my hair. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Make sure you guys give this a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I'm sure some of you out here have tried this Dove Amplify Textures line by now, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, of course, and until my next video, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.